Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive comparison of the features and pricing of Zendrop versus AutoDS. Before we dive in, if you're interested in dropshipping, check out Zendrop or AutoDS. The link is in the description and you can go ahead and create your account. Now let's get started. Now, both Zendrop and AutoDS offer powerful tools to streamline your business, but which one comes out on top? Our comparison will be based on product sourcing, shipping time, pricing and fees, and other relevant information that will help you draw the line between both services. So let's dive in. The first point we'd like to address is the product sourcing. Zendrop focuses on curated product with faster shipping options, primarily from US-based suppliers. AutoDS, on the other hand, offers a wider range of integrations with various marketplaces, including AliExpress, Amazon, and more. This gives you access to a massive product catalog, but it also means you'll need to be more diligent in vetting suppliers and ensuring quality. Now, when it comes to order fulfillment and automation, both platforms excel in automation. Zendrop offers features like automatic order fulfillment, one-click product import, and real-time inventory updates. AutoDS takes automation a step further with advanced features like price or stock monitoring, automatic price optimization, and even a complete order fulfillment process that handles everything from order placement to tracking updates. If you're looking for maximum automation, AutoDS might have the edge. And now to shipping times. Shipping times are crucial for dropshipping. Zendrop, with its focus on US-based suppliers, generally offers a faster shipping time, often within a few days to a couple of weeks. AutoDS, due to its integration with various marketplaces, can have varying shipping times depending on the supplier and product origin. You might find faster options, but you are also likely to encounter longer shipping times, especially with products from AliExpress. Now let's talk about pricing. Zendrop offers a tiered subscription model with different plans based on your needs and order volume. Their plans start with a free trial and then it ranges from $49 to $79 per month. AutoDS also has a tiered subscription model with plans ranging from $19.90 to $199 per month. They also offer a 7-day trial to test out the platform before committing to it. The best choice for you will depend on your budget and the features you need. On to customer support. Customer support is essential when things go wrong. Zendrop is known for its responsive and helpful customer support, with various channels like email, chat, and a dedicated support team. AutoDS also offers customer support, but their response times and support channels might vary depending on your subscription plan. It is important to consider the level of support you need when choosing a platform. Now, both platforms have unique features worth mentioning. Zendrop offers branding options like custom packaging and private labeling, which can help you build a stronger brand identity. AutoDS boasts advanced features like virtual assistant, which can help automate various tasks, and a Facebook ad integration to streamline your marketing efforts. Consider which unique features are most valuable to your business. In conclusion, it ultimately depends on your priorities and business needs. Zendrop is a great option if you prioritize faster shipping, US-based suppliers, and brand capabilities. AutoDS is a strong contender if you need extensive automation, a wider product range, and advanced features like virtual assistant. So you'll need to carefully weigh the pros and cons provided in this video for each platform to make the best decision for your dropshipping business. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to sign up for Zendrop or AutoDS using the link in the description below. And thanks for tuning in.